Hello everyone, welcome again to my channel. So today I'm going to share my own homemade recipe of how I make my spicy meatballs served with some vegetable rice. So guys, what you're going to need for this recipe is some minced meat, which I marinated and let it sit on the fridge overnight. Unfortunately, I lost the video, but I'll make sure to leave my recipe on the description box below for you guys to. So what I just added there was 1 egg and some flour. This helps in making the meat stick and in shaping it into balls. So you'll start shaping the meat round and continue the same process until you're done. At this point, my meatballs were ready. I drew them out of the hot oil, and in a separate pan I fried in some onions till they were golden brown. I added in a tablespoon of garlic and ginger, some green pepper, black pepper, paprika spice, curry powder, tomato paste, and a glass of water. I covered it to let it simmer for 5 minutes. At this point, my meatballs were ready. You can see the color is so lovely. I finally added in my dhania and some red chilies for a little bit of heat. Also, my fried rice was ready, and what I used to garnish was some carrots, some green pepper, some tomatoes, and some sweet corn. And that's how you make spicy meatballs served with vegetable rice with fries for garnish. If you like this recipe, please make sure you leave a comment below and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.